again. Oh, Lord.
Shit.
Goes away.
Yeah, there he goes.
Gangsta, what the hell is it?
Gangsta, hey, say what's up.
Reset. How much? How much?
What do I?
How much would it be?
How much would it cost? About $250. 250. Look at, you can swim. We knew it was gonna get bad, but we didn't know it was gonna get this bad.
Yeah, that shit.
What the hell is he doing?
Hey, look!
Oh
my! The biggest wave in here!
Look at the waves over here. It looks like looks like rough seas out here.
That's what we waiting for.
Did you see how far it was? It was up over his bumper.
I know. Shit, I was going over the hood of his car, dude. I don't understand how he didn't bottom out.
I thought he was going to flood out.
Rain's coming down again pretty hard.
Maybe it'll come back through, too.
Do you know how funny that would be?
Drove right through that shit.
And look, oh no, he's knocking a lot of the water back down. You see the river's back. The river's back.
Yeah, it just went away, though. See how it's getting sucked?
It's getting sucked back this way. Now it's back.
Man, this dude's been going around 3 or 4 times. Man, he's probably wanting to go.
He's probably wanting to go.
Man, let me test this out.
Surprised the cop in the 4-wheeler didn't go.
Damn, we're flooded out.
4-wheel drive.
Yeah, this shit's bad.
They made it to the kitchen.
Shit is funny, dude.
No, I gotta step over there.
Yeah.
That's bad.
It's at least an inch of water.
This music is so gay.
I know.
This is awesome.
That's the highlight of the night right there.
Oh god,
Don't
dude,
feel
they ain't
drunk,
lying, dude.
Yeah.
What do you expect from someone in another country? Oh, we got somebody else in the water. We got 2 people in the water. I think one of them stalled out.
Holy shit, they're going in?
Yeah. They're thinking they're stupid.
Hey Nick, there's 2 more going into the puddle.
And look, this guy's got water all the way up. He's basically submerged.
I think he owns that and he's checking it out.
This is pouring down rain again.
Look. Yeah, sorry, shit.
He's like, I don't know about this. God, I'm surprised he hadn't bottomed out.
Shit, look at
Oh
the
my
wave.
god, here it comes. I got it. Just like a little wave, here it comes. Boom! Right up against the door. What is he doing? He's gonna go and do it again. Awesome.
Dude, this guy just did like...
You know you want to do it? Do it!
Yeah.
Go through, buddy.
He's like, son of a bitch.
You got a Jeep.
Wait till he hits that speed bump right there and goes down.
Start opening all the fucking lines.
It's up past the window sill over there.
Set off the alarm over there.
Yeah.
Oh, I think the cops will be here shortly, though. Oh, they don't have far to go. That's just flood alarm.
Rain's starting to downpour again. It's getting worse.
Yeah, it is. It is getting worse.
Cars came ripping through here and sent the biggest tidal waves. It was so.
This guy's got it. He's gonna go forward and fucking drive through that shit.
That's kind of deep, man. You got that.
Yeah.
Is there a place flooding water?
Yeah, their place is flooding too.
That's terrible.
Look at how far up it is.
The wind's starting to blow a lot.
So stoked.
I haven't felt any water yet. These players are looking on. He's rethinking it now. Oh my God, dude, look at all the cops out here now. There's 5 of them.
We're so bad.
So do I want to go out there.
That's why I say I want to be here when Cindy opens that door. I want to see what happens. All that water.
It looks like we're filming a lake. It's exactly what it looks like, a huge lake out there. Look at it, a lake.
It does.
With waves coming our way. It's like, hey, look, we're on the Mississippi.
Yeah.
It hasn't reached the omelet house yet.
I don't know if the cops are sitting over there.
Let's find out what they're doing, shall we? Yep, Bay County's coming at us again. There's 2 cops over there. No?
Yeah, they're probably going to sit there and wait and see what happens.
He's sitting there. The other one's spinning around to talk to him like, what do you think we should do? Probably like, you ever seen any shit like this?
I don't know.
It's not bad enough where I need to close the road. Not yet.
It's all the way back to the bathrooms. It's fixing to start raining in a second.
Panama City, 3.49.
Panama City is on there too. Right on. Oops.
Better be for this kind of shit.
There goes that.